Hello everyone. Today's topic is sound. As you know, people can hear sounds every day. For instance, people talk all the time, the sounds of traffic, or the school bell ringing. All these sounds are not the same, they are different from each other. Similarly, animals, birds, insects all produce sounds, but they are all different. But what is sound? Sound is the transfer of energy. This energy is transferred through vibrations, which is heard as sound. When an object vibrates, the air is made up of molecules. When the object vibrates, the air molecules closest to it starts to vibrate. Then the one next to it vibrates. Then the one next to also vibrates. This results in a wave of vibrating air molecules that spreads in all directions. This vibration travels as waves, which are also called sound waves. It travels in all directions. If a person's ear is within the range of the vibrations, the eardrum vibrates, sending a message to the brain that it's hearing sounds. The brain then tells us what sound it is it speech or a motorcycle, etc. But what is this vibration? If you touch a speaker playing loud music, what do you feel? You can feel the vibration, right? That is vibration. How does it vibrate? Vibration are the movements you notice when you stretch a rubber band and release it. This is similar to vibration. So, sound is transmitted from an object that starts vibrating, and from there the vibration spreads out in all directions. If the vibrations are fast, then the sound is very high. There is a difference. So, sound needs a medium like air and other things. If there is no medium, then sound cannot be transmitted. So, in order for the sound to reach a point from the starting point, it needs air. If there is no air, then sound cannot travel. They can also travel as vibrations in liquids or solids. Toys like string telephone work because sound can travel through solids. Which, in this case, is the thread. Sound travels faster in solids and liquids than in the air. Faster. Sound does not travel through vacuum because there it has no medium that can carry vibrations. Hence, there is no sound in space. As there is no air, sound cannot travel. Now, we are going to talk about sound pollution. What does sound contain? It has pitch, volume, etc. If these are too high, then pollution occurs. Amplitude is how loud the sound is. Amplitude. And is measured in decibels or dB. Continuous exposure to sound above 90 decibels is dangerous for us. Now you know what sound is and what is sound pollution. You must be careful and adjust the volume of sound accordingly. Now you have learned about sound and how sound waves travel. Interesting, right? We have many more topics like this. Come back and view them. Thank you.